What if you held your sneeze in? Ever tried to hold in a sneeze? Feels harmless, right? But it creates pressure over 24 times higher than normal. That pressure can rupture your eardrum, break blood vessels in your eyes, and in rare cases even tear your throat from the inside. Still watching? Then don't hold back, hit that subscribe button for more body-saving facts. Your sneeze is your body's natural safety valve. Stopping it is like sealing a pressure bomb inside your skull. Comment below, have you ever held in a sneeze? If this surprised you, like and subscribe for more body facts that could actually save your health.